Hey everyone! Welcome back to ABC Hosting. Are you thinking about starting your own adult content website but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. Because today I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to launch your very own adult website from scratch. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more tutorials, tips, and guides on web hosting, website creation, and online business growth. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, including choosing the right niche for your adult site, registering a domain and setting up hosting, installing and managing adult website platforms, creating and uploading content safely, monetization strategies for adult websites, keeping your site safe and DMCA protected. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your adult website confidently. First things first, choose your niche. Adult content is a huge industry, so it's important to focus on a niche you're passionate about, and that has demand. Whether it's premium videos, camming, amateur content, or adult blogs, picking the right niche will make your website stand out. And remember, planning your niche properly is the foundation of a successful adult website. Once you've got your niche, the next step is domain and hosting. Choose a catchy domain name that's easy to remember. Then comes the hosting part, which is extremely important for adult websites because many hosting providers do not allow adult content. This is where QloudHost comes in. They are the best adult web hosting provider with 100% DMCA Ignored hosting. With servers located in offshore locations, QloudHost ensures your website stays live without censorship. If you're planning to start your adult content website, I highly recommend QloudHost. Next, you need a platform for your adult website. Popular options include WordPress with adult themes, adult video CMS platforms, or even custom-built websites. Install the platform, set up your theme, and organize your pages and categories for the best user experience. And again, QloudHost provides easy setup and reliable adult-friendly hosting, so your platform runs smoothly without interruptions. Content is king, especially in adult websites. Make sure your content is legal, original, and high quality. Plan your videos, images, and blogs carefully. Use secure upload methods, and organize your content into categories for easy navigation. And to keep your content protected from DMCA takedowns, remember QloudHost's 100% DMCA. Ignored hosting is your safest bet. Their offshore servers ensure your content stays online no matter what. Once your site is up and running, it's time to make money. Popular monetization strategies include premium memberships and subscriptions, pay-per-view content, affiliate marketing, ad networks specialized in adult content. QloudHost helps your website handle all these strategies smoothly because their hosting is optimized for adult websites. Finally, make sure your website is secure. Use SSL certificates, strong passwords, and keep your software updated. And most importantly, choose a hosting provider that protects your content. This is why I recommend QloudHost for adult websites. With offshore servers and DMCA Ignored hosting, they provide the best protection for adult content creators. So, to recap, choose your niche, get a catchy domain and adult-friendly hosting, install your platform upload, high-quality content, monetize your website. Keep your site secure with DMCA protection. If you still have any questions or confusion, drop your comments below. I'll make sure to answer every one of them. And if you're planning to start your adult content website, don't forget to check out QloudHost for 100% DMCA. Ignored hosting with offshore servers, keeping your content safe and your website online. Thanks for watching ABC Hosting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, keep building and stay safe online.